What's up everyone, we are watching new channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A52 headphone jack or earphones not working issue. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing headphone or earphone not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A52, then first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.